And I'm here walking down to the river to see how the water is. Beautiful mountains and trees. And here goes the path for the river. You gotta go through a bush maze to reach down to the river. Here we goes. It's a beautiful sight. Wow, look how beautiful. The birds. There goes the cow over there. There goes a goat. Goatie. And these are the beautiful trees. How beautiful. Look at the river coming up. Wow. Lovely. These moments are cherishable. Live river flowing. You get that fresh river breeze and the sound of the river flows. Beautiful. Beautiful star. What more can we ask for? Natural life. Worth living. Look at this beautiful river. Strolling along the riverbank because it's so beautiful. Oh wow. Look at nature. Look at beauty. Wow. The river is so wide and it's deep. Just one stone over there, big stone. But I wouldn't dare to go over there. It's too deep for me. But I will walk along the river coast and just enjoy the moment. Beautiful, beautiful. So nice. You can get to the river from so many ways. And the river just splits and take its own path. Walking through the river. This is a small little river. I'm getting my practice right now. But let me roll up my pants first so I could go deeper. This is so much fun, guys. Walking in the water. It's a good therapy because you could feel the stones under my foot. Scrub my toes in the water. But while you're walking, you gotta make sure you're not sliding because some of the stones are very slippery, you know? You can slide. So, taking my own little time, going through the small little river right now. Woo! Now I'm gonna try a big stone to go sit down on a big stone. Oh, this is hard, guys. The stones are really, really tough. Oh gosh. Let's see if I could do this bit. I can't do that one. I gotta take it slow that I don't slide, you know? I'm gonna do a massage. First, I'm gonna start with my feet. Look at this, guys. Just use the stone from the river and give my feet a massage. Then I could massage my whole body with the stones. Look at that, guys. So beautiful. And after this, rinse them off. And then after I do my full body massage, I just go take a nap right on the water. What a beautiful scenery today, guys. Coming up from the river. The river where I get my therapy, just listening to the water runs down the stream. It's a blessing. And now, guys, I gotta pass these goats eating up their food. Hey, goaty, goaty. And he's running away from me, but he can't because he's tired. All right. And there goes another one. Just eating up the grass. These are all grass-fed animals, guys. The cow, all grass-fed. And now I'm going up back to the rail to go on home. There he goes. Up back the steps I comes. And we are back.